Yesterday in the Bitcoin update, we were saying we can't lose this wick low, and actually we have a big box of support or demand. So although we were marking out the golden pocket as of last week, and we were saying we can't lose this now, we're above it. And so as long as we remain above this golden pocket, we should head to 24 and 25k. Well, we met 24k in yesterday's update. We found this new double bottom. We'll get into that again on the lower time frames because it's not quite clear. But essentially, yeah, we'll go over it on the lower time frames to make it clearer. But this is our neckline. The only way we validate this pattern is by breaking the neckline. That's how we get this continuation 25k. However, we know about all the early signs, okay? So that's why in yesterday's update, although we were currently at that moment below the golden pocket, we knew that it's an area of support or slash demand. And to be honest, it's all the way from 23,000 over here all the way down to 22,300. So this is your box of support. As long as you maintain price above this level, the lowest being 22,300, price should continue to 25k. This is what we've been saying on the channel since this range over here, which began, as you can see, Saturday 21st of January. Now we'll scale down to the lower time frames because in yesterday's update we were talking about this double bottom over here and how on the lower time frames, such as this 4-hour time frame, it looked like price was trying to creep up and head towards the 20 and the 55, and we were basically saying that we want to wait not just for a break above the neckline but a break above the 786, because we have a wick rejection right here where we came to the 786, we tried to break through, and what stopped us was the moving averages as resistance. You see how when we went under this purple one, we kept on running into it and failing to get above and eventually putting in a lower low. So essentially that's what should happen here. You run into it, we should go lower. You see this wick? This is our lowest wick, and after meeting this 786 and the moving averages as resistance, just as we did here, we're expecting a lower low. And did we get that? No. With the bodies, yes, this body is lower than those. However, with the wicks, I don't see this body closing below this wick. That's what I want to see for continuation downwards. But in yesterday's update, we weren't talking about that. We're just preparing, but we were saying that, so we have this double bottom and we need to see price closing and pushing through this red box, and only then flipping that into support. Okay, now we're seeing price actually rejecting this. Let's make this box now green. Do you understand how we've now went under the golden pocket but still holding the low and actually reclaiming that golden pocket? So this means it wants to validate that old double bottom. So it's still not too clear on the lower time frames, but it's this dump, this pump, this is our neckline over here, and dumped again. You can also say this is a double bottom and this is your neckline, but it's the same neckline and it's the same target. So just essentially the reason why I'm going from here rather than starting from here and this being my neckline and this being the second bottom, the reason why I started here is because this was the first tap of this resistance. I pushed up from this double bottom all the way up to there and I dumped down into this area of support. I've gone up again and I've dumped to that same area of support. So yeah, I'm not really focused that this is a wick and it's ugly. I'm just more focused, I've come into this support once, I've come into support twice. Equally, you could do the same. This is one bottom, this is two bottoms, or 1, 2, triple bottom. But regardless of which one you decide, the neckline remains the same, and that's that 1414, and we got that from the 1 fib level here on the 21st of January and the 0 fib level on the 22nd of January. Okay, so to get this follow through to 25k in our double bottom target, again, we need to reject this area as support, which we've done. So now we're flipping it, this area of resistance now into support for the continuation onwards and upwards. So my expectation, again, as long as price now remains above this golden pocket, yes, we can go below, just remain above this. But now price is above the golden pocket, is flipping this resistance, also the double bottom neckline, into support as well. The 786 fib being cleared, flipping it into support, creating a reverse wave by being above this golden pocket. It all suggests that price wants to continue beyond the 1 fib level and onwards and upwards to new targets that haven't been met before. So beyond the 1618, which was 24k. So this is why ever since this low over here, because we were waiting for the low, we were given the golden pocket about about a week or so before the end of January, we were constantly saying once we are clearly above this golden pocket and not losing the low, we should go to 24 and 25k. We met the first target at 24k. We're now finally waiting for this 25k target, and we're getting those good early steps telling us that it wants to continue in that direction. Again, hold the low, zero fib, and now hold the golden pocket, and we should continue onwards and upwards to 24, 25k. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and comment. We're almost at 5k, so help me reach there. When we hit 5k, I'll give away a course on my new Twitter, Louis Vibes _ it's linked down below, where you can also get discounts on the course or the mentorship while they last until we hit 5k subs. Thank you guys.